Stop what you're doing right now. And listen, if you want people to respect you, follow these 7 rules. Nothing more, nothing less. Do this, and watch how fast things change. Rule number 1, value your time. When you reply instantly to everything, people assume your time isn't valuable. You don't have to ignore people. Just don't drop everything for them. Respond when you're actually free. Say no when you're busy. When you treat your time like it matters, others will too. Rule 2, stop over-explaining. You don't owe anyone a long justification for your choices. When you over-explain, you look unsure. When you state things clearly and calmly, people take you seriously. Rule 3, don't react to rudeness. If someone says something aggressive, don't laugh it off. Don't get angry either. Look them dead in the eye. Stay quiet. Count to 3 in your head. It forces them to choke on their own words. They'll think twice before trying you again. Rule 4, let people learn from their mistakes. Stop saving people from their own disasters. Every time you fix their mess, you become their safety net, not their hero. Sometimes the kindest thing you can do is let others face the consequences of their own actions. You're not abandoning them, you're letting them grow, and they'll respect you more for not always saving them. Rule 5, keep some things private. Don't tell people your plans. Don't announce your goals. Don't flash your money. The more they know, the more they think they can control you. Stay mysterious. Let your results show up like a plot twist they never saw coming. Rule 6, set real boundaries. If someone keeps crossing your limits, you need to be ready to step back. If they keep pushing, just walk away. People respect people who respect themselves. And finally, Rule 7, stay calm. Fidgeting, nodding too much, nervous laughter. These make you seem unsure of yourself. Slow down, breathe, sit still, speak at a steady pace. When you stay calm, people pay attention. If you're serious about changing how people treat you, hit like right now. Subscribe so you don't miss the next one, and comment below. Which rule are you using today?